Hello creative fellas, welcome back to my channel Wizartist. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make ladybug drawing for beginners. It's really simple, so come on. First you will need a circular object like this bangle. Now I'm going to trace it with the help of a pencil. Now I'm going to draw a bumpty on the top. Look, now I'm going to give it some antennas and 6 legs. Okay, now I'm going to take a ruler and draw. This line should be almost in the center. Now I'm going to give it some polka dots, as you can see here. Look. Now I'm going to trace it with the help of a sketch pen. Now we have to color it. The body should be in red, while the head and the polka dot should be in black. So here our ladybugs are ready. Thanks for watching this video. Please do give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.